But this environment provides the catalyst for me to feel as if my voice does matter. A lot of the projects that we were developing 2 or 3 years ago have been enhanced, and the learnings and the community connections that we have developed so far. What we thought was impossible yesterday is going to be a reality. We're here on Ngunnawal country at the Headspace Youth Reference Group Camp at Camp Cottermouth 2026.
I'm just from Tiny Beaver, and coming here to meet all these people and coming to experience something new has been amazing.
It's so eye-opening because you learn new things every single time.
YRG Camp is probably my utmost favourite platform to advocate for my local area, for young people in general, and for myself.
Okay, I'm Ashton and this is Chloe.
This is camp number 5 for me. I think 5 years of YRG Camp has greatly increased my self-esteem. Going to camp has actually made me feel so much more comfortable within my skin. We get the opportunity to talk about things that matter to us, and we have activities all about planning a project about what we care about. In my opinion, the future of YRG camps is definitely YRGs hearing from other YRGs. It was so inspiring and encouraging to hear about the successes of other centres. So much so that right after I walked out, I went, we have to try that. And we were so excited to get in contact with the specific centre to learn more about what they're doing and how we can do that, how we can apply that and take their learnings and strengthen our own community.
The camp planted the ideas that they are now putting into reality.
We're going to do right now we've planned to do a youth event during Headspace Day, which is in October. It's still early in development yet, but I'm super excited to see how it's going to turn out.
I think one of the most powerful things about the Youth Reference Group camps is how we're able to develop these programs, develop these projects, and then we have such a strong core of young people that they can then take them back to their communities to help them grow. So the workshop I ran at the Headspace Youth Reference Group Camp was a cultural responsiveness workshop. So specifically with my workshop is that every group that participated now has sort of the guidelines and a framework to take back to their community, to work with their local mobs, to co-develop those resources, to co-develop those projects in a more culturally supportive way, for them to create real life impacts within the community. The Headspace YRG is providing that platform of empowerment, and coming back full circle and seeing that I can also provide workshops in my last few years as a YRG is also very impactful, and you can see the growth that Headspace is providing, and not so much providing but empowering for the young people that are in all of the communities that Headspace support.
I think the essence of YRG Camp is about making friendships and collaboration, and that means you can come together and create some really brilliant ideas when you're talking about youth mental health and how Headspace functions as a service. So it's such an asset, and it's as a volunteer in YRG, you get so much out of it.